James Garner, is James Garner here?
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good
What
morning.
is your middle name? Can you remove your hat, please? And your scarf. What is your middle name, Mr. Garner?
Errol.
Earl?
No.
He's on the 1:30 docket, Your Honor, I believe.
James Garner. Earl Garner. James E.
The moment this hearing starts, you can sense something off. James Garner isn't just nervous, he's gearing up for a showdown. He questions everything: his name, the docket, even who's charging him. Judges see this pattern often. It's the opening act of a self-styled sovereign citizen.
Okay, I'm on my way down.
Mr. Garner, do you want to offer on these or do you want to go to trial?
I would like to know what the charges are.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus James Earl Garner. Case number SP 11000435, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 116950. Those are driving license expired. Thank you. And an improper plate misdemeanor. All of them punishable by maximum possible penalty of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP 1169507, counts 1 and counts 2, expired license and no insurance misdemeanor, both punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP 1169521, same improper plates, same punishment, $500 and 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, maximum possible penalty. SP 1223079, driver license suspended. SP 1273761, SP 1927512. 3 of those tickets are all punishable by 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. SP 1547006, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3. Those are civil infractions. SP 1547407, counts 1 and counts 2. Count 1 being a driver while license suspended repeat offender. This one is in warrant status, probably an old case that he didn't pay. SP 800104, counts 1 and counts 2. 1 being an unregistered untitled. He owes $1,194 on that. And SP and count 2 of that is a drove while license and fine on that. State of Michigan versus James Earl Garner, case number SX 36268561. That is a drove while license expired. And that will be $500 maximum possible penalty.
When prosecutors list 8 separate cases, expired license, no insurance, improper plates, it stops feeling like a misunderstanding. This man's been driving illegal for years, yet he's ready to argue constitutional theory instead of facing the facts.
93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
First off, I do have a couple.
You got to state your name first. You got to state your name first.
No,
Let's
I
start
think,
there.
wait a minute, Ms. Harris. Wait a minute, Ms. Harris. I think Mr. Garner is going to represent himself. Am I correct, Mr. Garner?
I'm representing myself in what? I mean, I'm confused about what's actually going on. First off, who's alleging these charges? That's what I'm curious about.
State of Michigan, city of Detroit.
Okay, well, if that's the case, there's a common law principle which states that for there to be a crime, there must be a victim. Corpus delicti. The state cannot be the injured party. And in the absence of a victim, there can be no crime.
We want to do it.
Drawing my name from the record on that one. Thank you.
I know. How do you want to proceed, Mr. Garner? You set the matter. I'll enter not guilty.
Then comes the line every courtroom drama fan knows. There must be a victim. He believes that without a flesh-and-blood victim, the state can't prosecute. But that's not how law works. Driving without insurance endangers everyone. The public itself is the victim.
I'll wait for the city to give you an offer. What do you want to do?
Well, the court haven't even established jurisdiction. I mean, in order for jurisdiction, the jurisdiction has to be established first, and there's no jurisdiction established. And once jurisdiction is challenged, that must be settled before charges can be brought.
All right. Do you want to put that in a motion, sir?
Any and all charges must be dismissed because there is no complaining witness, and the state cannot be.
Well, I'm not gonna listen. If that's your motion, I'm gonna deny the motion. Okay. So all we're gonna do now, we're not gonna keep going.
Notice how calmly the judge handles it. She's heard this before. Sovereign arguments collapse because government represents the collective citizens. Still, she gives him a chance, trial or offer, but he refuses to choose. That's when patience starts to crack.
Matter for trial. Which one do you want?
Respectfully, in order for this to continue, there must be a complaining witness, and the state cannot be a complaining witness. Now, if I'm entitled to a fair trial, the law states there must be a victim. I'm just requesting, who is the victim? Who did I injure?
The citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
The state cannot be a victim. And if that's the case,
I said the citizens of the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan are the victims.
if that's the case,
Mr. Garner, Mr. Garner, can we just go into a breakout room and then maybe I can give you a little bit of advice to assist you with moving forward? Would you be agreeable to that?
Sure.
Okay.
This moment is classic defiance. Garner thinks he's winning by repeating jargon, but in reality, he's ignoring direct orders. In court, refusing to answer isn't power, it's contempt. Judges have to maintain order, otherwise, chaos rules.
All right, are we ready on Garner?
I believe he's ready, Your Honor. He's representing himself.
Let's go back on the record with Garner. What do you want to do, Mr. Garner? Do you want a trial date or you want an offer? Those are really your only two.
All I'm asking for is the
Okay, one last time. Now listen. Here's how it's going to go from this point on. If you don't answer the question that I asked specifically, then I'm going to hold you in contempt of court, and we're going to move from that point on, right? Get up, Mr. Raymond.
So you're telling me,
Mr. Garner. We're not going to have a conversation. Stop, sir. That's the last time I'm going to ask you to.
On the law. Is that what I'm hearing?
All right.
I'm asking.
I'm going to hold Mr. Garner in contempt of court. He is directly violating the court's order. I've asked him repeatedly to not interfere or.
When she warns him, answer or face jail, he keeps talking over her. You can see the shift, tone hardens, her voice drops, authority takes over. It's not about ego, it's about the system needing structure. Without that, justice collapses.
Or add any extra commentary to this case. I've given him ample time to answer the court's question, and he continues to refuse to do so. So now I'm going to hold you in contempt, and I'm going to sentence you to 30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release.
So that means that the court is just going to violate my rights because I'm defending myself? Is that what I'm hearing?
30 days Wayne County Jail. No early release. That'll give you some chance and some time to read up on your rights, okay? Fill out the contempt papers, Mrs.
30 days in Wayne County Jail. That's not for the traffic cases, it's for defying the court. Ironically, his demand for freedom lands him behind bars. Sometimes, Fighting the system the wrong way proves exactly why the system exists.
Madam, so I'm gonna order you to turn yourself in today, Mr. Garner, to start that jail time, okay?
So I have a question.
I'm not answering any more of your questions. Turn yourself in to the Wayne County Jail today.
So the court is going to be in direct violation of my rights in the law. Is that where we're standing?
That's how you feel. Have a good day, sir.
What's striking here isn't the sentence, it's the cycle. Courts across America face this weekly. Citizens misled by internet pseudo-lawyers who promise immunity through wordplay. The truth? Respect and responsibility get you farther than rebellion ever will.